Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, These Shadows. I'm Kia, and today we're going to do a monochromatic, I think I'm saying that correctly, I don't know, eyeshadow look. Basically, it's a one eyeshadow tutorial where I'm going to take one eyeshadow and do my entire eye with it. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look, stay tuned.
So deep in love, so we just might drown. Don't do it. Help me believe that it's love we found.
Okay guys, so let's just get started. I already did my brows off camera. I used my LA Colors Browy Wowie pencil in dark, and I used my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan to clean up around the brows, and I used my Airstone to set my eyes, because you know I go in with my concealer after I do my brows to prime my eyelids, and I go in with the Airstone to set that. So we're gonna go right into it. I'm gonna be in and out. I'm trying to do this quickly. It's just gonna be an eye tutorial because I mainly do my face the same. You guys may hear some music in the background because I have to have music whenever I'm filming. I'm trying to cut it down low so I can hear it and y'all won't hear it, but hey. So I'm gonna go in. Before I do my makeup, I always prime moisturize my face. So I'm gonna go, but my face has been really dry. I have dry skin, normal to dry skin. So I'm going with my Nivea like I always do, but I'm gonna cake this stuff on because, like I said, my skin has been super duper dry. So going with my LA Girl Pro Prep primer, smoothing primer. It's supposed to smooth your skin, so when your makeup goes on, it goes on really nice and smooth and stuff. So my pores, using the Baby Skin Maybelline. Y'all know I always use this in replace of my Smashbox. Then we're gonna go in with the Estee Lauder Night Repair, and I usually just drip it on my face like this, but I'm just gonna put some in my hand today. Okay, what today's tutorial is gonna be is just a monochromatic, I believe that's how you pronounce it. It's basically just an eyeshadow look that you only use in an eyeshadow look, and you're only using one eyeshadow. So we're gonna be using, out of the Beauty Treat Nude palette, we're gonna be using that color. Can y'all see? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this cream base right here, and I'm just gonna put it on my lids or whatever, and then I'll come back and tell you what else I'm gonna do. And the good thing about doing a one eyeshadow tutorial is, well, eyeshadow look, is it doesn't have to be perfect because you're only using one eyeshadow. So you can go up in your crease and you can be as messy as you want to, because it's all gonna come out looking perfect. But I'm gonna concentrate this cream eyeshadow on my lids because that's where I want most of the color to really be. I hope I'm explaining it correctly. I'm gonna go in with that color. I'm gonna take my Ulta crease brush because it's more like dense. I really love this brush. I know I've been talking about this brush for years. I'm gonna take this brush because it's gonna pick up a lot of product. So I'm just gonna take it and I'm just gonna go in my crease with it. And I did pick up some of that shadow, and I'm just gonna blend basically. my transition area, I'm just gonna be light-handed with the brush and kind of like feather it out so that it'll look like I placed the different transition cover. So basically this monochromatic, I guess I'm saying it right, look, it's basically just blending until you're satisfied with the color payoff. And I think I'm gonna go back into my crease with it. Y'all, this is so easy. Like, this is probably the most easiest eyeshadow look ever. Like, a beginner, baby beginner could do this. This eyeshadow look reminds me of going back to the basics, like when makeup wasn't so dramatic and complicated. Okay, because that harsh line is right there, I'm gonna take a different brush, and I think I'm gonna take this brush that I use to set my air sponge, to set my concealer, and I'm gonna just, there's nothing on this brush, but I'm gonna go outline and kind of soften up those lines so it won't look so harsh. Okay, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to finish this eye off camera, then I'm gonna come back and finish the look, I guess. Okay, y'all, so my camera is dying and I'm trying to work quickly. I decided to add a bold liner using the Maybelline what is this, Black is Black gel liner, and I'm going to use the Confetti by Wet n Wild glitter. I don't know, I think I waited too long trying to record this part so y'all can see it, because you have to work quickly because this gel liner would dry down. So basically what I'm doing is just taking a little bit of the glitter and putting it on the gel liner just to add some drama to this look. I mean, I could have left it plain. You can leave it plain if you decide to recreate it, and I hope y'all can see. Or you can, you know, jazz it up, but I decided to just add a little glitter. And this also could be for you MUAs who are doing prom makeup. You can add this to one of your prom clients. To make this look complete, I'm gonna take that same one eyeshadow and go up under my eye with it. Brush, because that's the only brush I could find, because I'm washing my other brushes. But yep, I'm just gonna take that same eyeshadow. I'm gonna take my nude lip liner by Lord & Berry, and I'm going to put that in my waterline. Camera was going dead, so I'm not sure how much footage I got, but this is basically the look. I paired it with a lipstick that I depotted I don't know how long ago. It's by, I want to say this lip is by Wet n Wild. I depotted it right here. It's the color 522A. I've worn it before. It's this color right here. And I just did my face like I always do my face, but I went in with some lashes that I usually stack, but I didn't want to take away from the glitter and the liner, so I didn't stack them. I just put them on individually, and this is the one eyeshadow look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Comment down below and let me know how you like it, and if you would like for me to choose another color to do the one eyeshadow look. And if you guys recreate these, don't do the glitter. I mean, if you do the glitter, just be, I don't know, glitter is everywhere, and I hate that. But this is the final look, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.